Information system for finding and booking available seats in catering establishments, presented by Solomiia Kubinska. Features of this program were discussed in the last presentation, so now status, priority, labor, intensity, risk, stability, target version and purpose of those features will be discussed. Status shows if function is included in the current version or it is approved and will be developed in later versions. Offered means that the particular function is being discussed. Priority shows how important the particular function is. Labor intensity shows how hard it is to develop a particular function. After analyzing all of that, including risk and stability, the target version for a specific feature is chosen. Graphical interface, internal search engine, integrated Google Maps with the ability to get directions to selected catering establishments, machine learning algorithms for recognizing mealtime and providing relevant social offers based on users' personal data and facility ratings are included in current version. Successful scenario is a list of steps that are performed using the following system to satisfy the user. The main scenario extensions and alternative streams are used to highlight other possibilities of this system or some malfunctions that can happen. They are: the user does not search for the establishment himself/herself, but selects the recommended special offer. The user is not satisfied with the recommendations of the search results provided. The location of the catering establishment is not suitable for the user. The system cannot access the available seats of the catering establishment. There are no available seats in the catering establishment selected by the user. Activity diagrams are graphical representations of workflows of stepwise activities and actions with support for choice, iteration, and concurrency. The following activity diagram represents the main scenario with extensions and alternative streams. The diagram shows: enter login, enter password. If the password is wrong, get an email with reset link and go back to log in. If the password is correct, log in, find catering establishment. If catering establishment is found and location of user is available, then go to get directions. If directions are chosen and location of user is available, get the list of available seats. If there are no seats available, choose another catering establishment and go back to get directions. If seats are available, reserve available seats. Arrive to the catering establishment. On this step, user can log out or go back to the main menu, where he or she can write a review for catering establishment or continue finding another food place. Logical architecture of the project. This system consists of 5 files and database. 4 of them contain HTML code with JavaScript and the 5th contains CSS. Index.html contains the layout of the main page of the web resources. Web1.html contains a page layout about a web resource. Web5.html contains the layout of the page with the map. Web3.html contains page layout with menu and reservation. Style0 CSS contains code that stylize the graphical interface. Flowchart for scripts. First, flowchart represents the search engine of the system. The next one are here for creating a model where user can create an account. Recommendation subsystem will be connected to the database. By using users' data like favorite places and food, most viewed places and reviews, system will be able to predict the catering establishment that user will most likely be satisfied with. Following scheme represents the interaction between naive Bayes algorithm and widget prediction that in the end will come up with personalized recommendations for specific user. Database consists of 4 tables. The name of the tables are user, visited places, favorite places, reviews, and catering establishments. One user can have a lot of visited and favorite places and reviews. One catering establishment can have many reviews. This is the start page of website. From here, user can go on a page about us, find and use search engine. Also, user can look at Instagram and Facebook of the program to be updated on new features. About Us page shows user the needed information to better understand the purpose of the following system. By pressing Find and Menu, user can see the menu of the chosen catering establishment. By pressing Find and Directions, user can get directions to the chosen catering establishments. Conclusions. The presentation shows the choice of means of implementation and design of the system. To do this, a description of the logical architecture of the program and communication of all program files was performed, as well as the necessary software with technical characteristics that ensure the functioning and support of the HTML page markup language and CSS and JavaScript languages. Also, programming technologies are used to ensure the implementation of the developed programs. A control example analysis was performed which showed that the system was ready for use, but in the future it is planned to expand the functionality of the current system. Thank you for attention.